I took out the front rollers just to show you an example of different ways you can place the roller or a smaller roller set. So if it was a smaller roller set, let's say, and it was a smaller roller, you take a little less hair, see how it's thinner and it's less, and you roll it. It's going to roll several times now. It's not going to be like the other rollers, so it's going to roll several times, and you're moving your fingers a little faster. And you can place it in the same way. It's just that you're really moving a little bit faster and you're going to take a smaller section. Also, if you want to go ahead and do a different way of roller setting, you can actually, if you want her hair to fall a different way or a different angle, you can take different sections. I took a side one here to be different, you know, and I decided to use this size now to show you, but you can actually do different ways. This is like an angle or parting kind of roller set, where you could part the hair in a roller set like that.